Children, good afternoon. Today we will start inheritance of two gene. In previous video we have already discussed inheritance of one gene related to two principles of Mendel's, that means the law of inheritance. First law is law of dominance and second is law of segregation. So now discuss the two gene inheritance. After verification, result of monohybrid cross, Mendel also crossed pea plants, differing in two characters. It was found that inheritance of one pair, first trait, of allele does not interfere in the inheritance of other pair of allele known as second trait. Based upon this, Mendel proposed a second set of generalization which is called law of independent assortment, and law of independent assortment is known as third law of Mendel. This law states that when two pairs of traits are combined in a hybrid, segregation of one pair of characters is independent of the other pair of characters at the time of gamete formation. It is also gets randomly rearranged in the offspring, producing both parental and new combination of characters. It is clear by dihybrid cross of Mendel. We already learned in previous video. So you see dihybrid cross, parent two characters R and R, round and yellow seed, wrinkled and green seeds. Gametes are denoted by round and capital Y denoted by the yellow seed. Similar, a small r denoted wrinkled seed and a small y denoted green seed. So, two characters of seed, one their shape and second their color. Both cross and produce F1 generation. All characters are round and yellow. F1 generation. Similar to biselfing, the both characters RRYY form the four gametes. These are the gametes. RY, capital R, small y and small r. Then both male and female cross with each other and produce the ratio of 9:3:3:1, in which 9 round yellow, round green 3, wrinkled yellow 3, and 1 is the pure line wrinkled and green seeds. So 9:3:3:1 is their phenotype, and genotype produce 1:2:2:4:1:2:2:1. So 9 different types of gametes are produced, and this is the best example to show recombinations of characters by law of independent assortment. Now, deviations from the Mendelism. All the patterns of inheritance could not be explained exclusively on the basis of Mendel's original principles alone, and certain complexities were observed by later workers which deviated from Mendel's law or Mendelism. Now, incomplete dominance. It is a phenomenon in which the F1 hybrid exhibits characters intermediate of the parental gene. Here the phenotypic ratio deviates from the Mendel's monohybrid ratio. It is seen in flower of Mirabilis jalpa and snapdragons, where red color is due to RR, white color is due to gene small r, and pink color is due to gene capital R and small r. Incomplete dominant of red flower trait over white flower trait is the best example for incomplete dominance. So let us see RR red flower, then small r white flower, parent gamete R, gamete R, cross with each other and produce R and R. All flowers are pink. Then we prove by a chart. Two parents, male and female, and two gametes, R and R. RR, ratio is phenotype is one red, two pink, and one white. But genotype is similar to Mendelian monohybrid cross is 1:2, 2:1. Codominance. The phenomenon in which two alleles express themselves independently when present together are called codominant alleles, and this biological phenomenon is called codominance. In other words, it is the phenomenon in which offspring shows resemblance to both the parents. We explain this by ABO blood grouping in human, best example to show codominance characters in human beings. ABO blood groups are controlled by gene I. Gene I has three alleles, IA, IB, and I0, or written as small I. IA and IB produced RBC surface antigens, sugar, polymers A and B, whereas I does not produce any antigen. IA and IB are dominant over small I, hence IA and IB are dominant alleles and small I is recessive alleles, as in IA small I and IB small I. When IA and IB are present together, both express equally and produce the surface antigens A and B, so codominance. Since humans are diploid, each person possesses any two of three I gene alleles, resulting into 6 different genotypic combinations and 4 phenotypic expressions. Now, genetic basis of blood group in human populations we will be see with the help of table. We will see with the help of table. We make a chart. First column write allele from parent 1, allele from parent 2, genotype of offspring and blood groups of offspring. Allele from parents 1 IA, allele parents 2 IA, then genotype is IA and IA, then blood group is A. Then IA second parent, IB genotype IA and IB, blood group A and B. Parent 1 IA small I, parent 2, then IA and I, genotype is A. IB, IA, then IA and IB, offspring A and B. Next, IO, IB, then IO, IB, then B. IB, I, IB and I, blood group is B, 4, 5, 6, and last I, that is blood group O. So, since humans are diploid, each person possesses any two of the three I gene alleles resulting into 6 different genotypic combinations and 4 genotypic expression A, AB, B and O. So these are the 4 phenotypic expressions. Then test cross. It is a method devised by Mendel to determine the genotype of an organism. In this cross, the organism with a known dominant genotype is crossed with the recessive parent. In a monohybrid cross between violet color flower denoted by capital letter W and white color flower denoted by a small letter w, the F1 hybrid was violet color flower. The test cross are in two conditions, first case 1 and second case 2. In case 1, WW parent gamete W, then gamete small cross to form WW. Violet flowers all are progeny. Second case, cross parent gamete cross W cross with this WW, this cross this, white flower violet flower gamete and progeny. Violet flower white flower. If all the F1 progeny are violet color, then the dominant flower is homozygous, and if the progeny are in 1:1 ratio, then the dominant flower is heterozygous. So now in second case, 1 violet, 1 white flower, ratio is 1:1. It is dominant flower heterozygous. Multiple alleles. When more than 2 alternative forms alleles of a gene occupy the same locus on a chromosome in a population. These are called multiple alleles. ABO blood grouping is best example of multiple allele we discussed already. Pleiotropy. It is a phenomenon in which a single gene product may produce multiple or more than one phenotypic effect. The pleiotropic gene affects metabolic pathways resulting different phenotype. For example, phenylketonuria is caused by mutation in the gene coding for the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. The affected individual show mental retardation as well as hair and skin pigmentation. So, phenylketonuria and starch synthesis is the best example for pleiotropy. Then polygenic inheritance. It is a type of inheritance in which traits are controlled by 3 or more genes. These traits are called polygenic traits. The phenotype reflected contribution of each allele and is also influenced by the environment. Best example, human skin color. Suppose 3 genes A, B and C control skin color with A, B, C being the dominant alleles and A, B and C being the recessive alleles. That is ABC controlled skin color and A, B and C small being the recessive allele. Then A, B, C crossed with A, B, C. White color, dark color, parent. Gamete A, B and C. Then A, B, C cross and form A, B, C. Intermediate color. F1 generation. AB intermediate color, AB white color and dark colors. F1 generation produce intermediate color. The F2 generation will have varied skin tones with each type of allele in the genotype determining the darkness or lightness of the skin. So next discuss in the next class.